In today's video, I am going to teach you how to generate payroll reports in Gusto. To begin, make sure you are signed into your Gusto account and that you are looking at your main dashboard. Payroll reports are helpful for checking totals, tracking pay history, and keeping clean records for bookkeeping or tax time. Gusto organizes these reports in one place, so once you know where to look, generating the exact report you need is quick and consistent. Start by looking at the left sidebar menu, Find and click Reports. This will take you to the reporting area where Gusto groups different kinds of reports together. Next, select Payroll Reports. This is the section dedicated specifically to payroll-related reporting, such as wages, taxes, and paycheck details. Taking a moment to choose the correct category is important because it keeps you from pulling a report that is similar but not payroll-specific. Now, choose the report type you need. You will see several options, and common examples include payroll journal, tax liability, and paycheck history. Pick the one that matches your goal. For instance, payroll journal is often used for accounting summaries. Tax liability can help you review payroll tax amounts, and paycheck history is useful for looking at individual paychecks across time. Selecting the right report type first makes it easier to set the correct filters in the next step. After you select your report type, set your date filter. Depending on the report, you can choose a date range or select a specific check date. Use a date range when you want a broader view, like a monthly or quarterly summary. Use a specific check date when you need details tied to one payroll run. Double-check the dates before moving on, because the report will only include payroll data that falls within that selection. Once your report type and dates are set, click Generate Report. Give it a moment to load, especially if the date range covers a long period or if your payroll history is extensive. Finally, click Download and choose the format you want, either CSV or PDF. CSV is best for sorting and filtering in spreadsheets, while PDF is best for sharing or saving a clean, printable copy. And that covers everything you need to know.